all I can say is a fascinating course. I learned a lot, and if you listen to all the talking in the class, you could see there was a lot of reaction. It was sometimes like a beehive, because it's so fascinating and so interesting. So go for it. I can highly recommend it. Thank you.
So I have learned a lot in this course. I have learned the language of the pictures, colors, and all kind of things that the picture is telling us. All emotions, thoughts. It is unbelievable, you know. I didn't believe, but 100% I know it is true, because mine was true and everyone's was true. I highly recommend this course. It's very brilliant.
As you can see from this shot that I put, after attending this workshop, I realized that I have a lot of issues to resolve myself, including I don't listen. And thanks to the teacher and thanks to many of my colleagues in the workshop, I learned a lot, especially this beautiful lady who pushed me to learn.
My name is Prachi, and it was wonderful to have Keerthi doing a 2-day workshop. It was quite creative. It was a learning module for us and to understand a lot through drawings. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is New. I got a really great time with Keithy, and I learned a lot. And she's really knowledgeable, and it's really highly recommended for her course.
Hello, I'm Priya, and I have done my hypnotherapy course from Illumination, and Keithy's course of metaphor is just a cherry on the cake. It's beautiful, and I think being into this profession, you will get 80% of your client after doing this metaphor. It's super. I highly recommend this course.
Yeah. This is Mariam Khalid. Thank you, Keithy. I really recommend this class for yourself, for your kids. You understand people around you, and it's really a powerful tool that can help you figure yourself out and your children, and highly recommend it. Thank you so much.
My name is Zen or Zenobia. Keithy is amazing, highly recommend. You will learn a lot and you can already apply it.
Please do a metaphor training course. I was so waiting for this course at Illuminations in Dubai, and I loved Keerthi's Metaphor 2 days training course. It's a great diagnostic tool. It's so helpful, and enjoy the 2 days. And the experience just reflects and makes this course so much more interesting. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, I'm Anissa. I really enjoyed the class with Keerthi. She has a lot of knowledge. Mind-blowing, a lot of new things I never knew or heard about. I really recommend this course, and I really enjoyed it. Thank you.